We're ready to solve another story problem together. This time, when you get your piece of paper, I want you to look and see to make sure that your story problem today starts with the number 8. It's going to be different than the other story problem we just solved. So get your piece of paper, get your equation cards out. All right, I'm going to read you the story. There were 8 animals in the pond. The 3 frogs jumped out and went home. Boing, boing, boing. Now there are 5 animals in the pond. Which equation matches my story? Choose one of these equation cards and take a picture of your story problem with the equation card on Seesaw.